Hi everyone, we're getting ready to go on an adventure. So sit down, buckle up, and here we go.
We're outside of Gordon's Body Shop, and there are deer wandering up the street. We're in Hoquiam, Washington. It's actually Gordon's service, and they're working on the bus. She's hiding in between the cars. They work on a lot of vintage cars in this shop, and it's pretty interesting. They've got a Mustang over there, a little Volkswagen Bug. My favorite's this Mercury. And I haven't seen a Gremlin in years. That cute little Pacer. And the vintage RV is pretty cool. So Gordon's is down in the historic district in Hoquiam, and this big old library is across the street. It was built in 1905, and the previous library had been built in the 1800s, and it was moved twice. And there's some pretty cool old buildings. And we parked last night in front of the Hoquiam Grand Central Event Center. This must have been their Grand Central station at one time. And the old VFW is down there. Pretty fun historic district. And there's Gordon's right there on the corner. They were nice enough to offer to help us out in a crisis. Their shop has actually been on American Pickers on the Jolene episode. If you ever want to check it out, they've got some pretty cool stuff.
Well, there's the sunset at Pacific Beach. We made it back in our spot. We had the problems with the rig. Got towed in. They worked on it all day today. Just put us in front of everybody, which was pretty nice, and we made it back here for this gorgeous sunset. So thank you to Gordon's Auto Service in Hoquiam, or whatever it is.
Yep. And Avalon in Ocean.
And Avalon Towing that towed us there in Ocean Shores. So everything worked out.
And we are feeling so blessed that everything came together so well. And we're back out here to enjoy the evening.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. Bye!